In the last video, we studied the types of polygons. If a polygon is with three equal sides and equal angles, you can see these are angles. There are three angles and three sides. If these three sides and three angles are equal, then it is called as equilateral triangle. If a polygon is with four equal sides, then it's a square. If a polygon is with five equal sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal sides and 5 equal internal angles, then it is called a regular pentagon. If a polygon is with 6 sides and 6 equal sides and 6 equal internal angles, you can see these are internal angles. These are sides of this polygon. If these sides are equal and these 6 internal angles are equal, then it's a regular hexagon. If a polygon is with 7 equal sides and 7 equal angles, then it's a regular heptagon. If the polygon is 8-sided and these 8 sides and 8 internal angles are equal, then it's a regular octagon. In this video, we are going to focus on this shape. This is a polygon with 4 sides and it is known by a square. So this is a square. You can see from the figure there are 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 sides for a square and these 4 sides are equal. A square has 4 equal sides. Now let's look what is a perimeter. Total length of boundaries is called a perimeter. Total lengths of boundaries is called perimeter, which means sum of these 4 sides. Sum of these 4 sides are called perimeter. Sum of this side plus this side plus this side plus this side, which means 4 into 1 sides. All sides are equal, so 4 into 1 side, which is written over here 4 into side. Now let's look what is area. Area is side into side. To get area, we multiplied side into side. This shaded portion represents area. This shaded portion represents area. To get area, we are multiplied one side with the other side. Actually, the 4 sides are equal. So, if one side is 3 centimeter, we multiplied 3 with 3. So, 9 centimeter square will be the area of this particular square. Now let's look the equations for rectangle. First of all, what is a rectangle? What is the difference between rectangle and square? In the case of square, all the 4 sides are equal. Here the longest side is represented by length. These two sides are longest sides. It is represented by length. These are shortest side, smaller side compared to this longest side. So these smaller sides are represented by breadth. So the perimeter is equal to, perimeter means total length of this boundary. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So for example, if length is 4 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter, perimeter is length plus breadth. Length plus breadth means 4 plus 2, which is 6. 6 into 2, that is 12. If the length is 4, breadth is 2, add these length and breadth. 4 plus 2, it is 6. This length plus breadth is multiplied with 2. So 6 into 2, which is 12. Let's do that. 2 into 4 plus 2, that's equal to 2 into 6, which is equal to 12. Now let's find area. Area is equal to length into breadth. You can see from the figure, this shaded portion represents area. Area is equal to length into breadth. Here in the figure, 4 is the length, cm, into 2 centimeter is breadth, 2 centimeter. So 4 into 2, 8 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. So 8 centimeter square is the area. Here for the perimeter, unit will be cm, because we are adding these boundaries, we are adding these sides. So the unit of perimeter will be centimeter, but in the case of area, the unit will be square of this unit, that is 8 centimeter square.